Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday, January 22nd. Happy Friday. Nice job this week. I've heard lots of talk about goals and self-direction, and I've heard lots of great things from PLPs already after one day. We're going to talk about one more thing about self-direction today. But first, let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand up with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Hey, this morning I want to talk about this. I want to tell you a little story about why I wanted to show self-direction. So we don't need to switch to the slide yet. Okay, come on, Mr. Wright. I can do better than this. So I want to tell you about one way where I realized as a kid that I wanted to start showing self-direction. So a lot of you know that my dad owned a construction company. I've told you some stories about that. And I got to start going to work with him when I was really young, right? Like, as a kid, we would get to go every once in a while. But by the time I was a middle schooler, I got to work a lot during the summer, and I really wanted to work for him because I could make some money, right? And I could make pretty good money because he'd let me work like 8 or 9 hours a day. He didn't pay me very much per hour, but I did get to work a lot. So I would go up to him or one of his other workers, and I would ask, like, what do you want me to do? And they'd be like, okay, go sweep out this house. Sweep out the house. Okay, what do you want me to do next? Go pick up that pile of scraps. Okay, go pick up that pile of scraps. What do you want me to do next? You can nail all these blocks together. It was going okay, and I was super excited to work hard, right? But me being excited to work hard meant I was finishing these little jobs kind of fast. And that started to get a little bit annoying, right? And then my dad had to talk to me, and he was like, you got to stop asking me what to do, or I'm not going to be able to bring you to work because I can't just tell you what to do all day long for little jobs. And I was like, I don't know how to build a house. Like, what am I supposed to do? What does that mean, right? So I started watching what other people were doing. I started keeping an eye out, right? Oh, man, yesterday they told me to pick up blocks, and today I see more blocks. Maybe I'll pick those blocks up, right? Yesterday I was supposed to sweep the house. You know what? I'm just going to sweep the house every day. Doesn't look that bad. You know, when you're building a house and you just see like the framed up walls, the whole house gets full of sawdust all the time. So I just started learning that like I had to kind of keep an eye out and start to be self-directed if I wanted to stay. My dad would still come tell me things sometimes, right? Like, hey, we just got this load of lumber delivered, but we need it around behind the house. Can you carry all the boards back there? Yep, I can do that one. Other times, other people would come up and be like, hey, we need you to do this. Can you go get this for us? All of those kind of things. But I also learned that if I wanted to stay, I had to be self-directed, because if they had to tell me what to do all day long, they were going to get annoyed by this kid that was like hanging out and always asking like, what do I do? So I learned like that self-direction is a pretty cool thing. I want you to think about this. What's just a reason that you want to be self-directed? Is it because you have a certain goal in mind that you know you really want to reach? Is it because you're one of these people that, you know, and I've got a little bit of this in me, like I don't really like people telling me what to do. So you got options. You can figure it out, and you can be self-directed and do it, or people will tell you what to do. There's no like middle option with that, right? So maybe that's your motivation. Or maybe your motivation is, you know what, my parents set this big goal for me, and if I reach it, I get this cool incentive. But I want you to have a little chat with your class today and start thinking, like, what makes you want to be self-directed? What's your motivation for being self-directed? And if you don't have much motivation, talk about that right now. Like, why do you feel like that's maybe not a priority right now? I'll throw that slide back up. I'm heading out. Bye, Achieve. Have a great day.